Hi everybody, day 5 here of the SPRAT training. So, started off with an in-class test, so multiple choice or true or false answers. Not too hard, pretty easy, pretty simple. Terminology you're pretty familiar with by this point in time. Then it goes to the actual on-rope testing part. This is the hard part. This is the part you've been training for. So my advice is to take your time and really concentrate on your skills that you're doing. Try to do them in an efficient manner and drink some water in between and not rush through it. Really want to take your time doing that. Not everybody passes this test. We had a few people that didn't pass this test, and so I won't tell you who it was, but it's not something you want to take lightly. So thanks for coming along with me on this journey. I'm excited to put these skills to use in my everyday work. Hopefully I won't have to use some of them, but if I ever get in a position where I need them, I'm really glad to have had this training. Thanks everybody. Have a good one.